coming over to me. We ain't stopping for the red lights, no. Cold nights, come closer to me. And we can eat about this one fire. And no, we got a long way to go. We can get there fast and take it slow. Let's forget our past and become whole. Go somewhere, feel like summer when we got snow, yeah. And we can live our dreams, be the perfect team. Yeah, just you and me, yeah. I don't know what this is destiny, nah. I guess we'll wait and see, yeah. Green light, coming over to me. We ain't stopping for the red lights, no. Cold nights, come closer to me. And we can heat about this one fire. And no, we got a long way to go. We can get there fast and take it slow. Let's forget our past and become whole. Go somewhere, feel like summer when we got snow, yeah. 2 seats in the ride, passenger side. She hit the gas and we go. Down for the night, down for my life. Let's do it again tomorrow.
The lights on in the afternoon, and the nights are drawn out long, and you're kissing to cut through the gloom with a cough drop colored tongue. And you were sitting in the corner with the coats all piled high, when I thought you might be mine. Small world on an exceptionally rainy Tuesday night, in the right place and time. When the zeros standing on the 24-hour clock, when you know who's calling even though the number is blocked. When you walked around your house wearing my scattering cross, and your knees stopped. Well, you cured my January blues. Yeah, you made it all alright. I got a feeling I might have lit the very fuse that you were trying not to lie. You were a stranger in my phone book. I was acting like I knew, 'cause I had nothing to lose. When the winter's in full swing and your dreams just aren't coming true, ain't it funny what y'all do? When the zeros stand up on the 24-hour clock, when you know who's calling even though the number is blocked. When you walked around your house wearing my scattering cross, and your knees stopped. In late afternoon, ghost in your room that you always thought did in the pool of your knocking boots never stopped you.
Close my eyes and I feel like I'm not even in my life, and I never wanna leave as I see myself running out of time. Mistake after mistake, it's safer if I distance myself. If there's a way for me to not do what I have done for so long. Don't be sorry if you know that I'm lonely. I don't feel like you know me well enough to understand. Mysterious ways of dealing with a couple of down days. It's like you're stealing what I had for a while and using it yourself. In my mind I see what I wanna see, and if it goes wrong I think I'll never be the same, but I know it's only make-believe. So don't be sorry if you know that I'm lonely. I don't feel like you know me well enough to understand. If you can show me that your thoughts are all lonely, I'll pretend that you know me like you always wanted to. Maybe it stays as it's always been, hazy, and they see what we can't see. Please let me know if you want me around, and I'll try my hardest to be good. So don't be sorry if you know that I'm lonely. I don't feel like you know me well enough to understand. If you can
Took my first breath where the muddy grasses spills into the Gulf of Mexico. The skyline's colored by chemical plants that put bread on the table of the working man, where the working man does his best to provide safety and shelter for kids and a wife, giving a little of a soul every day, making overtime to keep the wolves away. I was barely 13 when the company man tried to dig my daddy's grave. It happened on a French-owned tanker ship, spilling poison into Galveston Bay, where the liquid fire filled his lungs and his eyes silenced any more cries. Cold in the grave, with death stinging pain, he fought like hell to keep the wolves away. For the next few years, Dad was sick as a dog, but he made a recovery just to spite the odds. The settlement came and we moved out of town, where the sky isn't heavy with refinery clouds. Yeah, he's still alive, he's doing good, he's in his 50s, but the money's running out and he's pinching for pennies. So I'm going for broke with every song I play, 'cause now it's my turn to keep the wolves away. Where you breathing sun? Where you breathing that fun? So cold day in the sun. Where you breathing, yeah. You got me on my knees and breathing heavily. You can't see the mess you've made, the deception, it was heavenly. My engine's fee upon the rock of eternity, be guilt-free on the Dead Sea, suspended endlessly, pining for some gravity. Here I am on my knees, edging towards the light. A great flame, it lies before me. Bridges burning down in my sight. Script like a Scorsese motif. Greed turn luck into greed. Before you snap back, you're a thief. Run away under the heat, yeah. Script like a Scorsese motif. Greed turn luck into greed. Too late, boy, you're too defensive to redeem. Checked out before, got to take a seat, yeah. Trying to breathe heavily, but there's no need. For this place I found, the soul's running empty. Yeah, I got in for free, just for thinking the boy moves stealthy. But on the Dead Sea, we're just suspended endlessly, pining for some gravity. Here I am on my knees, edging towards the light. A great flame, it lies before. Script like a Scorsese motif. Greed turn luck into greed. Too late, boy, you're too defensive to redeem. Checked out before, got to take a seat, yeah. Script like a Scorsese motif. Greed turn luck into greed. Before you snap back, you're a thief. Run away under the heat, yeah. Script like a Scorsese motif. Greed turn luck into greed. Too late, boy, you're too defensive to redeem. Checked out before, got to take a seat, yeah. Honeybee, could you imagine where our lives would lead? That silly ring, it wasn't meant to be. Luckily I saw in me something I couldn't see. Honeybee, I can't imagine how my life would be if all your gravity did not hit me. Oh, don't you see, darling, my honeybee.
But here we are, after all the misses and confessions to the stars that we never really owned as ours. And if our world comes tumbling down, I never could forgive myself for leaving out. You're the one, you are the only one.
Such a fool, I took your love and I bent all the rules. You took the blow and didn't let it show. Stuck around to let me know. Built a family of our own. Look around, we made it.
you decide. I want you to soar. Don't doubt anymore.
Little by little we meet.
Want you to decide. Want you to
I hope you can hear me, I need it.
I want you to
You saved my life.
Don't doubt
Let's
anymore.
keep this between you and I.
And if our world comes tumbling down, I never could forgive myself for leaving out. And if our world comes tumbling down, I never could forgive myself for leaving out. You're the one, you are the only one. And if our world comes tumbling down, I never could forgive myself for leaving out. You're the one, you are the only one.
Pushing past the limit, tripping on hallucinogenics. My cigarette burnt my finger 'cause I forgot I lit it. Ripping with my sinners 'cause fuck it, man, I ain't no beginner. And then I crawled back to the life that I said I wouldn't live in. 'Cause I just couldn't open up, I'm always shifting. Go find yourself a man who's strong and tall and Christian. Pushing past the limit, tripping on hallucinogenics. My cigarette burnt my finger 'cause I forgot I lit it. Drunken in Seattle, two more sands without a paddle. I don't remember your face or your hair or your name or your smile, 'cause I just couldn't open up, I'm always shifting. Go find yourself a man who's strong and tall and Christian. Pushing past the limit, tripping on hallucinogenics. And then I crawl back to the life that I said I wouldn't live in. 'Cause I carried on like the wayward son. And now through and through I have come undone. And now I am just but the wayward man, what with my bloodshot eyes and my shaky hand. 'Cause I carried on like the wayward son. And now through and through I've come undone. And now I am just but the wayward man, what with my bloodshot eyes and my shaky hand. Pushing past the limit, tripping on hallucinogenics. My cigarette burnt my finger 'cause I forgot I lit it.
let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you.
Oh, home. Yes, I am home. Home is when I'm alone with you. And I say my heart gets slow. I get up my heart and fly. Mountain runs to waterfall. Anyway, to sing a
You know you just my type. Want you right next to me, right up against your play. I wanna get in you. Just my type. Want you right next to me, girl, right up against your play. I wanna get
I can't really explain that. I'm so into you now. Loving you like in the 90s, I was born in 2000. Young nigga with a bag, just $1 and a dream. Yeah, I make a lot of money, but I'm I'm tryna make you scream. Baby, I can drive you crazy. Can't get a little nasty, but my name is Prince Taste, so I try to keep it classy. But I'ma keep it real, baby, you can have my heart. I'ma show you how to love, I'm just gutter from the start. I'm just tryna blow it back. You drive a nigga crazy, throw it actually throw it back like you tryna have my baby. But I'ma keep it real, she can have it all. Like so with the grow, I'ma teach her how to ball. I'm like,
A nigga tryna spoil you, I'ma put it on you. Baby got that go-to, yeah, I'ma put it on you. Know you just my type, want you right next to me. Why the fuck is you playing? I wanna get in you. Just my type, want you right next to me. Girl, why the fuck is you playing? I wanna get in you.
I'm talking my shit. I'm here to get it poppin', poppin', G-Wagon in the Benz, controlling in the wind, sun glistening off your skin. Hey, come on, ma, you know I'm real entertaining. You see these jewels, you know I'm really this famous. This ain't nearly the taste. These other dudes, they be rude, but I'm too real to be basic. They pussy good, it's understood, but I'm too real to be fake. Young fly nigga with big old dreams. Maybe I could change your life and buy a big old ring. Have you riding in the foreign, other bitches they be boring. Have you in the biggest mansion when they got a nigga touring like.
A nigga tryna spoil you, I'ma put it on you. Baby got that go-to, yeah, I'ma put it on you. Know you just my type, want you right next to me. Why the fuck is you playing? I wanna get in you. Want you right next to me. Girl, why the fuck is you playing? I wanna
That shit crazy.